back to the channel. October 27, I believe it's around 65 degrees out here right now, and as you can see, I'm pretty comfortable. Not because I'm working in the cabin, but it is nice outside. I'd rather be out there. But right now I'm unloading some pallets that I just picked up to put some firewood on. As you saw, I just unloaded another bunch of slabs. I've got some lumber on the sawmill I've been cutting up the last couple days. Starting to make lumber again for some projects I've been putting off. See how much I can get done here before winter sets in. It's always a race to the end, but at the end of the day we'll be nice and warm with our fireplace and our firewood, or our wood stove I should say, and our firewood. I'm going to get these pallets unloaded. Some free pallets to stack firewood on. I know I can make my own with the sawmill, but I can get them for free right down the street. It's worth the trip for me. Plus, I pick up all the supplies while I'm at the store. So, brought up the sawmill recently. Started to make lumber again. Got all kinds of projects I've been hoping to get to for a while. So it feels good to be getting back, getting this fired up. Show you what I've been up to the last couple of days. These are a couple of 6x6s. As I said, I think these are 12 feet. I've decided that this platform I made for the sawmill is just not working out like I had hoped. And I'm going to replace it with these 6x6 beams. After doing a little bit more research and looking around on the internet, I see that most people do it this way, with some good sturdy beams underneath. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So anyway, that's what this project's about. It's Squeaky, my helper here. Hey Squeaky, what's going on? Inspector? How's everything looking? Good? No mice here? That's what I expect. And here we go. My hood ornament. You might not be able to see it too well. There's a little bit of a curl right at the end here. Not much of a taper. It's just that little bit of a curl at that end here. And I just took a measurement down here. And I'm going to see if I can't get 6 inches out of this. It's going to be kind of close. They don't have to be pretty, but if they're within reason, we'll use them. But let me get down to a cant here and we'll see what we can do from there. I'm still really new at this stuff, so I'm just learning as I go, trying to figure it out. And I gotta get the sawmill warmed up here. Well, I just had this fired up yesterday, so I should start right up. Put my gas on. There's one. Whoa! I'm out of gas. That looks full right there. Hopefully that's all it was. I have been having troubles with the switches under the covers. I think I had that squared away, but I'm not sure if they're working or not. They were yesterday, they weren't, and then I had to fix them. Gas on, choke on, key on. That's what it sounds like. Oh, nice. And I broke a rope. Going good. Wow, didn't expect that. I was just at the shop, I could have got more. Now we gotta take this apart and see if this is what the problem is. I'm guessing it is. Yep. 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 This switch right in here. This switch right here. And it's got a curl in it now, but I don't know if you can hear that. And I had it tucked up here because that's where it's activated, but it falls down here and then it turns off. As long as it's up here, I'm good. It doesn't work on this cover. I'd have to move the whole thing out. It's been this way since I bought it, and yeah, kind of a secondary thought. This one seems to be fine. This one had an issue with the screw holding it in, but I fixed that with a washer. Alright, now I gotta fix the rope problem. That's not one thing, it's another. Whoa. It's one of those days. There's a little bit of an angle pulling it out, but it's not that bad. I've seen a lot worse on machines, and so I'm not impressed that it broke so soon. I do have an electric start set up on here. I should probably just hook that up and get it going. All I need to do is hook the battery up. And one of these days, probably sooner now that I know this rope's broken. I don't know if there's enough on there for me to use it. Alright, off to the shop. I take it apart further. See why I can't get any tension on the spring. Shorter rope, but maybe enough to start it. Let's find out. See if I can get away with this little pull here.